What's up, traders? Keon here. We're going to be looking at the trades that we made today, and we're also going to be creating our watch list for tomorrow's trading session. Now, before we get started, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so we can keep pushing out that content. And if you haven't already, join our group absolutely free for 7 days. You get access to all our channels and trades. All right, let's get started. So today was a great day for the market. The Dow Jones ended up positive 311 points. We had, let's see, SPY was up 4.4 points, SPX up 45, and NASDAQ up 202. So overall, a great day for the bulls. And let's see what we did in the market for our Discord group. All right, let's start with Elkin. He had a SPY 432 call, bought it for 2.02, sold his last one at 2.38. These ran over $4 to $5 per contract. Great play by Elkin. He also had another call at $1.56. This was a 435 call. So just imagine holding this 432 call, right? If he alerted a 435 call, he had a 432 call. Another great play. So he bought it at $1.56, sold his last one at $1.75. Great sell on this one. S&P actually sold off a bit towards the end of the day. Great profit taking. For me, it was kind of light. We had an unusual flow in a stock called Sage. So we bought stock around 44.81. It is up after hours, so it is a good start. Only out of the starter position with 100 shares personally. So that was one of my alerts. The spreads were too wide on the options, so we went with the stock instead. So that was it for me on this channel. Eva had a light day. FedEx 250 call for $1.67 that she sold. She bought it for $1.46, so a quick 15% play. And Amazon 3350 call that actually became positive, but she stopped out from this contract. But then again, who would have known? Risk management is always key in option trading. We did have one margin alert. I entered an Adobe 565, 570 vertical call for 250 premium, 1119 expiration, sold some at 2.66. I did post a video on our channel on how I traded this stock. Don't be afraid to see that video. All right, now let's get started on our watch list for tonight. And we're going to start with Mastercard. All right, so Mastercard, unfortunately, it did not perform well today, even with this massive push in the market. So what do we got? We got a resistance here at 348. We actually have a multiple resistance around 345 as well, as you can see here, here, and here. So let's start with that. So 345.53. Look for a push to 348. Let's make that purple. Now we do have a support around here, but I would rather use this one because honestly, this is basically aftermarket hours. So 343, this will change. So let's use this previous support at around 341.27. Below 341.27, look for 339.34. All right, and now the sun is coming in my eye, but that is all right. So that is Mastercard, 345.53. Look for 348.55. Below 341.27, as you can see from previous support, look for 339.34. All right, our next one is apps. All right, apps had a great day, up 6%, $4 move. So what do we got here? We got a resistance at 74.7. And we have a support at 72.56. Now, how did I get these resistance supports so quickly? Honestly, muscle memory. I always look for the highs. I look for the low, see where it bounced. As you can see from here, it bounced, pushed up, right? Now we can also use this as a resistance because it couldn't break, right? And it started consolidating. So I would like to see apps break above 74.06 to see if it can hit 74.7, right? Now on the downside, if apps can't hold this 72.56, well, where is this stock going? Well, we can use a previous resistance, right? Which is right here. As you can see, apps could not break this resistance. So we're going to use that as a new support. So below 72.56, look for 71.3. All right. So again, above 74.06, look for 74.7. Below 72.56, look for 71.3. All right, our next one is BA. So BA actually had a good morning today, but ended up basically flat, only up 63 cents for today. So what do we got? We have a resistance here. Actually, we have multiple resistances, actually. So 224.42. I like to use this resistance right here. So above 225.5, look for this push from 226.44. Now, let's say if the market was open, this would be a pretty good setup to go either way, right? So BA could break down or it can break to the upside, either to this target or our new support at 223.32, because it bounced here multiple times, held on, and pushed. Okay. Now we can also use this as a resistance. I like this more, a little stronger. So we're going to use that. So above 225.5, look for 226.44. And again, we're on the 15-minute chart. And below, let's see, below 223.32, we can look for the lows at 222 flat. So again, as you can see, it bounced off this support multiple times, 223.32. If it breaks below, expect it to come down to 222. And again, to the upside, if it breaks 225.5, look for 226.44. And again, I mean, if it breaks above that, look for these highs, right? 227.97. But Boeing needs a lot of volume to get to that price. And last but not least, PayPal. Let's delete these lines here. So what do we got? We got resistance at 262.76, right? It rejected here, kind of consolidated and kind of broke down, right? So we got support at 259.59, right? It tested the support, pushed up a bit, right? So we have a mini resistance at 261.01. If PayPal stayed in this range tomorrow, we would think that if it breaks 261.01 with volume, look for a push to 262.76, maybe 262.25, because there is a couple rejections here. Now, if it breaks below 259.59, where is the next resistance, right? So could be here, right? Now we can use a previous support because it bounces here and pushes up. So below 259.59, look for 258.06. And above, I would say 262.76. I don't think PayPal is going to be in this range tomorrow morning. So we do have a resistance here, here, and here. So above 262.76, look for 263.47. And yeah, we'll stick with those targets for sure. All right, guys, that was a quick watch list for tonight. Again, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and feel free to join our group absolutely free for 7 days. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.